Hi my dear students, wish you a very good morning to all. So we will continue our chapter number 2, that is acid, base and salts. So as we have discussed in our previous video, in that we have discussed about the properties of acid and base, even some chemical properties of acid and base. So in that we discussed different acids, what are the different strong acids, what are the different weak acids, what are different strong bases and weak bases, and I hope you might have gone through the textbook and you have seen the chemical reactions when acid react with water, when base react with water, then metal react with acid, metal react with base. So that type of chemical equations you might have gone through in the textbook. So here different strong acids are there, already we are aware. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, HClO3, that is chloric acid. Then weak acids we have H2CO3, that is carbonic acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid, and CH3CH2O, COOH, that is generally we call as a lactic acid. So here we have bases also, then properties also we discuss, that is strong base, NaOH, KOH and LiOH. So it is a sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide. Then weak bases we have NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, ZnOH twice, zinc hydroxide, AlOH twice, that is aluminium hydroxide. So all things we discussed. So today in our video discussion, we are going for the next topic, that is salt. Now my dear students, already you are aware how the salt is formed. Salt is formed when acid react with base and it will give salt. That you already aware, and we have discussed also, when acid react with base it will give us salts. Now if you know the different salts name, if you are aware that, if you know, we have very common salt, that is NaCl, common salt, that is sodium chloride. Then another we have, this is a form of chloride, form of carbonate, NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Then N2O3 we are aware, that is washing soda, Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. Okay. Then CaOCl2, if you see, it is a bleaching powder, that is a calcium oxychloride, Then another is important, frequently in exam they are asking CaOCl2 and CaSO4 into H2O, into half H2O. This is plaster of Paris. Generally doctors are using whenever the bones get break, there will be some damage in the bones. That time doctors are using this plaster of Paris, that is CaSO4 into half H2O. That is a calcium hemihydrate. This is or gypsum. It is also can be included in this plaster of Paris. So all things we will study. These are some salts: NaCl, then NaHCO3, Na2CO3, CaOCl2, and CaSO4 half H2O plaster of Paris. So all the properties, how they form, all things we will discuss. So here, before that, we need to understand different salts having their different types. Generally salts are three types. One which is acidic in nature, one which is basic in nature and third is neutral. One is acidic, second is basic in nature, and third is neutral. Okay, so three types of salts we have: acidic salts, basic salts, and neutral salts. Neutral salts, in that generally it happens in absence of acid and base. Neutral means they don't have any charge. So generally, if I give example, acidic, that is acid, in that NaCl, if you consider NaCl, that is acidic. Okay. Then basic, that Na2, generally if you see basic, in that base would be there, that if I take this basic, that is Mg OH twice, okay, like that any salt will be there, or MgSO4, generally we call MgSO4. Take this MgSO4, we can take directly MgSO4. Then neutral NaNO3, they are neutral. Okay, so this type of acidic nature, basic nature, and neutral natures are there. Here, if you see, in basic nature, we will not consider MgSO4, but we can consider CH3COONA, sodium acetate. Okay, so this is a basic, CH3COONA, that is basic. Acidic NaCl, in that we can include Na2SO4, Na2CO3, and neutral we can consider NaNO3. So this type of three types of salts are there: acidic, basic, and neutral. Now, my dear student, we need to understand how the salt is formed. So, preparation of salt. The next topic we are discussing in that is a preparation of salt. Before that, I want to tell you, salts, it has families. Suppose we have family, in that different members are there. So here salt also has their family. In that four families are there. Just try to understand this as if this you understood. Now, in that four families are there. Generally, salt has four families. First family, that is chloride. First family is chloride family. Chloride family we can include NaCl. Okay, sodium chloride. It's chloride family. Second is nitrate. Nitrate family. So nitrate family in salt. So that we can consider NaNO3, sodium nitrate. So step by step I can take so you can understand. And next is we can consider that is sulfate. Okay, sulfate here we can take Na2SO4. That is sodium sulfate. And last will come, that is carbonate. You can see here, that is carbonate. Na2CO3, that is carbonate. So these are the four properties we are talking about, and we need to discuss this. How the preparation of salt by using different acid and base can be formed by using four families. First is we can say it is a chloride property. Second, nitrate. Third is sulfate, and fourth is carbonate. Okay, so these are the four families and three types of salts we have: acidic, basic, and neutral. And these four proper families, that is chloride family, nitrate family, sulfate family, and carbonate family. Now we are going to the next topic, that how the salt is formed, the formation of salt. It can be asked in exam. Preparation of salt. Generally, take example of NaCl. So here, as I will inform you, when acid react with base. Now here, HCl is what? It is an acid. Okay, and NaOH is what? It is a base. So when sodium hydroxide base react with hydrochloric acid, and it will give a product, that is sodium chloride. So that called as a salt. That considered as a salt. So NaCl, that is the sodium chloride, it formed when acid and base will react with each other. So then only the sodium chloride is formed. So now next, if I take, you understood this. Now next I will take, see here. Now NaNO3 there. How NaNO3? So now you just tell me NaNO3 there and H2O is formed. So here NO3, for that I can take HNO3. Remember that, because acid should be there. HNO3. HNO3 is what? HNO3 is acid. Okay. And what is remain? Na. So Na will be there. Oh yes, it is here. Base. So base is NaOH. And it will form now. The equation will form NaNO3 like this. And what is remain? H2O will remain. Got it? The same thing will be here also. And H2O will remain. Okay? So like this, the formation of salt is possible. The preparation of salt. Now you can do easily this remaining two. Suppose I have Na2SO4. Now SO4, where is SO4? It is here, acid. And Na2, Na means here. Okay, so what I will take? Here I will take NaOH plus H2SO4. What I will use? H2SO4. So Na here, H2O here. So then also we are able to balance this, but for your understanding, just take Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, and it will give water. Then Na2CO3, in that also NaOH I can take. Then H2CO3. H2CO3. Where is H2CO3? It is here. It is carbonic acid. So here NaOH plus H2CO3, it will give us sodium carbonate. That is the fourth family of the salt. First family is chloride family. Second family is nitrate family. Third family is sulfate family. And fourth family is carbonate family. So this is about the salt, and different salt names are given in the textbook. Here not only these four, we can include many. Suppose we have NaCl, sodium chloride, first one. Then K2SO4, potassium sulfate. Then K2CO3, potassium carbonate. Okay, like this many salt can be formed. So here that we need to understand, in the textbook that many equations are given, many formations are given when salt react with metal. Salt react with metal, what type of family type of salt you will get. Then any non-metal react with any salt or acid base, so what type of reaction is possible? So that all things you can see in the text. So here my humble request to all of you, we need to understand first of all the type of the families, then type of salts, then how the acid and base react to give us salt. So formation of salt. The salt generally it is formed when acid react with base. Okay, so that you are aware, that already we discussed, and this topic NaCl, NaCO3, Na2CO3, CaOCl2 and CaSO4 into half H2O, their uses, how they form, and all the properties related to these salts we will discuss, and all things are there in the textbook. You just go through it, just try to understand. First of all, this is important. If you understand the family, why I am telling you, because say if you take NaCl, it's a chloride. In that you can add anything. Suppose I can take this one also, chloride family. Okay. Then NaNO3, nitrate. Where is nitrate? Not only NaNO3, there are many CaNO3, calcium nitrate also there. Okay. Then next Na2CO3, Na2SO4, that is sulfate formation there. Then CaSO4, MgSO4, ZnSO4. So many are there. So like that we can easily make this. So that is always crucial to understand the families of salts. Okay, so this is about the salt, and remaining topic that how the formation of salt, NaHCO3 formation, Na2CO3 formation, preparation, how we can carry out. Then these two are very crucial as far as your exam is concerned. These two very important. CaOCl2 and CaSO4 into half H2O, that is bleaching powder, and that is plaster of Paris. Very crucial. Every year they are asking this question. From this they are asking the uses of the KNaCl, then uses of the NaHCO3. NaHCO3 is a baking soda. Na2CO3 is a washing soda. Na2CO3 generally we call as CaOCl2 bleaching powder, and CaSO4 half H2, that is plaster of Paris. So that we will discuss in our coming video. So up to here, please understand that what are the classifications of acid and base, on what basis the properties can be identified, and then we need to shift on the next topic, that is salts, type of salts, different type of salts are there. In that, one thing remains. If you know that, if you take this NaCl, it has one acid charge, positive charge, and one is negative. Then only NaCl is formed. So positive charge and negative charge ion come together and it will form salt. That also we need to understand. So NaCl is a formation by sodium ion and chloride ion. So this is important things that we need to discuss, and different things are given in the textbook. That go through it, try to understand the chemical formulas, chemical equations, and balance it. Okay, so this is one work I am giving you so that you will fulfill. I hope so, and we'll meet in next video with NaCl, NaHCO3, H2CO3, Na2CO3, and this remaining topics. So that will be end of this chapter. So last video will be made for you. This for the uses, preparation of different salts. So thank you. Have a nice day.